Welcome to Speedy K's. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our business opportunities link on our website. This will help any of you that are kind of looking for that business opportunity, and or if you just want a little bit more information about our business opportunity. At Speedy K's, over the 20 plus years that we've been in business, we've developed a very profitable opportunity for you. And we've created it in such a manner so that way it's more purchaser friendly, I would say. It gives you the opportunity to either develop your own package, and or we can recommend a system for you that would fit what you're looking for. We've had thousands of inquiries as far as what some of the offerings that other customers may want, meaning they may want just they just want to do auto detailing and they only want to do it a few days a week. What we do is we put together a package, a system that would fit your needs for that type of request. And then we have others that want to do just aircraft detailing and or RV detailing, and or they want to do both. They might want to do RV and aircraft, vice versa. They might want to do autos and semi-detailing that has to, also pressure washing services. So I mean, there's a various different opportunities throughout here. Now, what we always recommend at Speedy K's, as you see on our website, if you clicked on a opportunity location, there's either an opportunity for an established location within those areas. Now, we can establish your business opportunity anywhere in the United States. So if you want it somewhere in Florida, if you want it somewhere in California, it doesn't matter. We can set you up that business opportunity, what you're looking for, and what you have to do for us, so that way we can provide you the best systems, the best information, is there's a little link on our website here. It basically, if you click on the Columbus area, and if you're going down through and you're looking, if you want to fill out a business opportunity application, this is the easiest way. And it's very straight and to the point. We don't make you fill out thousands of paperwork. It's very straight and to the point. It's only about a one-page informational guide for us to gather the information on what you're looking for. It basically just has you fill in your name, your address, your contact information, when the best time would be to call you, what type of business do you want to get into. There's various ones that we've placed into the site. Now, you don't have to choose those. You could pick other and custom build yours, and then where it says please explain, the more information you provide us, the better. If we do get these forms, one thing I wanted you to keep in mind is if we do get these forms and they're not fully filled out, and or there's only partial of them, like the name, the address, and you just click a couple buttons on the bottom, most of the time these do go to our spam filters, and or they're not going to be reviewed because we just don't have the information that we are looking for from you. So please do fill them out fully and correctly. More information you provide us, the better. And then when we do contact you, or somebody does contact you to go over this, we will ask you various questions on your application log and try to get you the best system for what you're looking for and the best price. So there's a little bit of information there about some of your education. Do you have detailing? Basically, you don't have to have detailing experience. We train you. We've created systems and booklets and a number of different training materials. And we also do in-house or on-site training. It could be whatever you need, whatever you're purchasing. It could be a 3-day training course, could be a 1 week, or you could do a month over time. It all depends on what type of business you're getting into. So we do help provide you not only the support through your business, the setups, the professional training and support. There's also a spot in here, and it's you don't have to fill in an exact dollar amount, but any business entrepreneur knows what they're wanting to get into. How much do you want to spend? Please tell us, a dollar amount, or at least have a good business plan on what you're looking at getting into and how much you want to spend. So once you do fill all that out, get that all filled out, it'll come to us. It'll have an auto response come up, and it'll say that somebody's going to review it in 24 to 48 hours, and then get back to you as soon as possible. If you don't hear from us, within that week or so, please do contact us. You can contact our main office, the 877 number, the toll-free number. And if you don't get through, leave us a voice message and tell us what you're looking for in regards to that. And someone will call you back and review and make sure that your application didn't go to spam and or somehow get deleted out of the system. We do get hundreds of applications, so we just want to make sure that it does go through. So that's a little bit about the business opportunity and some of the things that we do have to offer. And we'll be putting other additional information and videos throughout our Instagram and our Facebook and other social media platforms and our website as well to help guide you in the right direction.